right, everyone. We've got another question from a fellow voter. Maxime asks, would you recommend a dual circuit breaker, positive and negative, between the solar panel and the charge controller? That's a great question. I've actually seen it. It's not all that common, but you know what? That doesn't mean it's not a good thing, right? Good on you for actually asking that question. And you mentioned further on in your question, Maxime, about Victron manual states, and you quote, provides a means to disconnect all current carrying conductors of a photo-voltaic power source from all other conductors in a building or other structure. So I've seen these double pole circuit breakers used on both the positive and negative. It's probably a good idea. It's just not done all the time. And one of the issues that I've seen is I've seen some commercial sort of breakers used for those applications, and they were metallic enclosures that ended up rusting like terribly to the point that the metal of the enclosure was actually had disintegrated in parts. So my only concern with that sort of ideal situation, which we should do, is how do you go about doing it? And doing it in a fashion that is going to be for a marine application. So if some of you have suggestions on how you do it on your boat or what you've seen done on other boats, please share. You know, honestly, that's something that I think we can all improve on, is making our boat safer. And it's a great question by Maxime. So thanks for asking and thanks for watching.
If you're curious, we've written whole articles about this. Go on our website, search it out. And we've got a lot of other tech talks about this very topic. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. It really does make a difference. It encourages us to keep posting. So if you're watching this video and haven't had a chance to subscribe, we really do care, because the more of you that are watching, the more of us over here are willing to spend more time in creating content. So thanks again.